Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down big financial ideas in ways you can actually understand. Today's video, we're tackling a question that confuses a lot of people. What is finance and accounting? Is it just numbers? Is it budgeting? Is it about Wall Street? Let's start with the word finance. Finance is about managing money, how it's earned, spent, saved, invested, and even borrowed. It exists in every corner of life, from you deciding whether to buy nasi lemak or cook at home, to a billion ringgit company deciding whether to launch in a new country. Now, accounting? Accounting is about recording and reporting all those money movements. Think of it as the financial historian. It tracks everything that already happened. So where does finance and accounting come in? It's the intersection where money management meets record keeping. It's where decisions are made based on the data the accountants have gathered. You can't make smart money moves if you don't understand the numbers. And that's where this gets interesting. In real-world accounting, finance plays a few key roles. Financial planning. Finance uses accounting data, like profit margins, sales trends, or fixed costs to forecast the future. Budgeting. This is where finance builds a plan using numbers from the accounting team. You need to know how much you spent last year before deciding how much you can spend this year. Next, cash flow management. Accounting shows us when we get paid and when we have to pay others. Finance takes this info and says, if we're paying supplies in 30 days but customers only pay us in 60, we've got a cash flow problem. Investment decision making. Accountants record profits and depreciation. Finance asks, should we buy new machines or lease them? Is this return worth the risk? Financial analysis. This is where ratios come in. Current ratio, return on equity, gross margin. Finance interprets these to tell the story of how healthy or unhealthy a company really is. And this is why business owners need both. Accounting gives you the mirror. Finance gives you the map. Let's bring this to life with a simple example. Say you run a small cafe called Copy and Chill. Every month, your accountant tracks sales, 12,000 ringgit from drinks, 5,000 ringgit from food, expenses, rent, salaries, ingredients, all logged. Now, here comes the finance part. You look at those accounting reports and ask, are drinks or food more profitable? What if we raised drink prices by 50 cents? And should I hire another barista, or will that crush our margins? Accounting gave you the facts. Finance turns those facts into actionable decisions. It's like this. Accounting tells you, here's what happened. Finance asks, what should we do next? Some people think you can survive with just one, but in reality, you need both to run a successful business or manage your personal money like a pro. Imagine flying a plane. Accounting is like the dashboard. It tells you how fast you're going, your fuel levels, your altitude. Finance? That's the pilot deciding whether to fly higher, slow down, or make a landing. You see the difference? One records the journey, the other charts the course. Let's cover some quick finance and accounting terms. You run into a lot. Balance sheet is a snapshot of what you own and owe at a given moment. An income statement to show how much money you made and spent over time. Cash flow statements such as tracks the actual movement of money in and out. Capital expenditures such as money spent on assets like equipment or buildings. Operating expenses such as daily costs like rent, electricity, wages. When accountants prepare these, finance teams use them to guide decisions, raise funding, or evaluate business growth. Quick tip, if you're planning a career in either field, accounting roles, bookkeeper, auditor, tax consultant, and management accountant. And for finance roles, financial analyst, investment banker, budgeting officer, and chief financial officer. But here's the catch. In small companies, one person may do both. You might be the bookkeeper and the financial planner. That's why understanding the link between both is crucial. All right, let's wrap it up. Finance and accounting isn't a mystery. It's simply using the records of your money to make better decisions about your money. If accounting is the past, finance is the future. If accounting is your health checkup, finance is your lifestyle change plan. And if accounting is the what, finance is the so what and now what. Whether you're running a side hustle, managing a family budget, or growing a business, this is knowledge that pays off. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you want more simple videos that demystify finance, don't forget to subscribe.